Today we're unboxing Rainbow High Color Change Car. It's an 8-in-1 color change. This is recommended for ages 6 and up. So let's get this out of the box. Out of the box, and we have our little instructions here, and batteries are not included, so we have to put some in. The battery slot is on the bottom here. Then there's this gold RH button on the hood of the car. If you hit it, the car will light up. So the first color is red. Second color is orange. Then we have yellow, green, blue, and last we have a purple. And then if you press it one more time, it will go through each color. And this is a 30-second process. So after it goes through all the colors, it does shut off on its own. So the car is white. The interior of the car is black. Here we have the steering wheel. It has a gold RH on it for Rainbow High. We have the mirrors here. The license plate of the car says rainbow in gold, and then above it says rainbow in gray. And we have the tail lights here. The front of the car, we see the headlights, and then it says rainbow, and then it has RH again for Rainbow High. Here is what the wheels look like. It says RH in the center for Rainbow High. And then the wheels say rainbow on them all the way around. So the seat belts do come out. You pull them up and out, not from this part. And it is a little hard at first, but they do come out. And then you just insert it back in to buckle it. The seats have like a stitch pattern, and then on the headrest it says RH. So we're gonna put a Rainbow High doll in the car. Here we have Ruby, and let's see how she fits. It says you can lift the steering wheel up to fit the dolls, and yeah, it just kind of clicks up, allowing more space for the doll. And there is Ruby inside the car. The steering wheel also turns. The windshield is detachable, so you can take it off if you would like. So that's the Rainbow High color changing car. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.